My name is Yashad Raju. Today we will discuss you about the third chapter of 10th class, that is polynomials. Third chapter. Generally polynomial is in the form of ax square plus bx plus c equals to 0. This is an ordered form. Or ax cube plus bx square plus cx plus d equals to 0 and so on, like this forms ax square plus bx cube plus cx square plus dx plus e equals to 0. Just like these questions, 2x cube, it is in the form of ax cube plus bx square plus cx plus d equals to 0. Here b, c, d are zeros. So a is 2x cube. It is in the form of a polynomial. For this one, we have a formula 1 by a equals to a power minus 1. So it will write as x minus 1 whole power minus 1. It is in the form of minus 1, whole power minus 1. So it is not a polynomial. For this one, 4z square plus 1 by 7. Take LCM as 7. 7 fours 28. Z square plus 1 equals to, it is in the form of ax square plus bx plus c equals to 0 plus c. Then it is a polynomial. For this one, it is in the form of ax square plus bx plus c. Here x square means m square, a is 1 and b is minus root 2, x is m plus 2. So it is a polynomial. Next, just like this, p of x equals to x square minus 5x minus 6. P of 1, find p of 1, p of 2, p of minus 1. Then substitute this one. P of 1 first we can do. P of 1 means in the place of x we can substitute 1. First write p of x equals to x square minus 5x minus 6. Then p of 1 equals to 1 square minus 5 of 1 minus 6. 1 square is 1 minus 5 minus 6. 1 minus 11 equals to minus 10. Next one, p of 2. Substitute 2 in the x square minus 5x minus 6. 2 whole square minus 5 of 2 minus 6. 2 square 4 minus 5 to the 10 minus 6. 4 minus 16 equals to minus 12. Then p of minus 1. For this one, x square minus 5x minus 6 minus 1 whole square minus of 5 into minus 1 minus 6. Minus 1 whole square means 1. Minus of minus plus minus into minus plus 5 ones 5 minus 6. 6 minus 6 equals, just like these questions, find the zeros of p of x equals to x square plus 2x plus 1 and find the sum and product of the zeros. First find the zeros of the p of x. Given p of x equals to x square plus 2x plus 1. From this, x square plus 2x plus 1 equals to 0. For finding zeros, we can put equals to 0. So from this, 1 into x square, that is x square x into x square. And this x square plus x plus 1 equals to 0. By adding these two x plus x, it is equals to 2x. So we can write x plus this p of x equals to 5x power 7 minus 6x power 5 plus 7x minus 6 coefficient of x power 5. Just like this coefficient means the term which is in front of this x power 5, that is minus 6. Minus 6 is the coefficient of x power 5. Just x power 7, then 5 is the coefficient of x power 7. Next one, degree of p of x. Degree means which is having more power. In this term, in this expression, x power 7 is the biggest degree, so it is the degree of p of x. So degree is equals to 7. Next, constant term. Constant term means this one. There is no x term in the constant term. So minus 6 is the constant term. Here x we can take common, x into x plus 1 plus x plus 1 equals to 0. These two are common, x plus 1 and this one x plus 1 equals to 0. This is equals to 0, x plus 1 equals to 0, x equals to minus 1 and this is also equals to 0, x plus 1 equals to 0, x equals to minus 1. There are two terms. X square means it is a quadratic. So we have two roots, that is minus 1 and minus 1. X equals to minus 1 and minus 1. We want to find sum of the zeros. Sum equals to minus 1 equals to minus 2. Product equals to minus 1 into minus 1, that is 1. We have direct formulas for this one to find the roots, that is it is over, but we to direct formulas for this is minus b plus or minus root over b square minus 4ac by 2a to find the roots of the quadratic equation. Find the x. For this one is sum of the roots equals to minus b by a. From the equation ax square plus bx plus c equals to 0, from this coefficient of x minus b by coefficient of x square, then product equals to product of the roots equals to c by a. Constant term and the square coefficient of the x square, it is a. We can do like this also from the, for the direct process, sum of the roots minus b by a. Here minus b means minus 2. Coefficient of x square is 1. It is equals to this one. And c by a. Constant term here is 1. Constant term is 1 and a. Coefficient of x square is also 1 here. It is equals to product of the roots. But this one, zeros, x equals to minus b means coefficient of x minus 2 plus or minus root over minus 2 whole square minus 4 into here a means coefficient of x square, that is 1. And c, constant term is also 1 by 2 into coefficient of x square is a, that is 1. We can write as minus 2 plus or minus 2 whole square means 4 minus of 4 1 the 4. This becomes 0 and by 2, that is minus 2 by 2. Minus 2 1 the 2, that is minus 1. And another root also minus 1. These roots are equals to this one. Like this, find quadratic polynomials with zeros minus 2 and 1 by 3. And first find sum of zeros. If we denote alpha plus beta as the zeros, then minus 2 plus 1 by 3 equals to, in the LCM is 3 minus 6 to minus 2 into 3 minus 6 plus 1. It is minus 5 by 3. This is the alpha plus beta. Then find product of zeros, alpha into beta, that is minus 2 into 1 by 3, it is minus 2 by 3. Then we have formula for the quadratic polynomials with 0. If they give zeros, then the formula is k into x square minus of alpha plus beta into x plus alpha into beta. K is the constant terms. First put k into x square. You don't know x square minus alpha plus beta is minus 5 by 3 into x plus minus 2 by 3 is the alpha into beta. Then do like this. Take x square minus into minus plus 5 by 3 x minus of 2 by 3 plus into minus of 2 by 3. Then k into, take LCM as 3x square, 3 into x square, 3x square cross multiplication plus 3 ones 3, 1 5 is 5x, 3 1 the 3, 1 into 2 minus 2. For finding k, if the k equals to 3, then it becomes, the equation becomes this one, k equals to 3, then 3x square minus 5x plus 5x minus 2 by 3, 3 cancel, and the equation is 3x square plus 5x minus 2. This is the quadratic equation in the form ax square plus bx plus c. A is the 3 and b equals to 5, c is minus 2. Okay. They give like this: obtain all other zeros of 3x power 4 plus 6x cube plus 2x square minus 10x minus 5 if two of its zeros are root 5 by 3 and minus of root 5 by 3. First find quadratic form of these two zeros, of two zeros. We know that finding quadratic form, first to find alpha plus beta equals to root 5 by 3 minus of root 5 by 3, that is equals to 0. Then alpha into beta equals to root 5 by 3 into root 5 by minus of root 5 by 3, that is equals to minus of root cancel 5 by 3. For this one, we know that formula k into x square minus of alpha plus beta into x plus alpha beta, then k into x square minus of alpha plus beta is 0x plus alpha beta minus of 5 by 3 equals to 0. K into x square minus of 5 by 3 equals to 0. Then take LCM as 3x square minus 5 equals to 0. Then k equals to 3. If k equals to 3, then 3x square minus 5 equals to 0. This is the quadratic form. Then divide 3x square minus 5 to this equation. Divide 3x square minus 5 for this one. 3x square minus 5 divided by 3x power 4 plus 6x cube minus 2x square minus 10x minus 5. This equation x power 4 term. Here it is x square. First we will to multiply with x square, then 3x square into x square, 3x power 4. This one minus 5 into x square, minus 5x square. Then by subtracting, these two are cancelled, and this one minus 2x square, minus of minus 5x square, minus 2x square, minus into minus plus 5x square. Then it will become 3x square. This one as it is 6x cube plus 3x square minus 10x minus 5. Next, the coefficient term is x square, x cube here. So we want to multiply 3 into 2x. 3 to the 6, x square into x cube. This one minus 5 into 2x minus 10x. By subtracting, both these are cancelled. This one as it is, these are cancelled, minus 5. 3x square minus 5, 3x square minus 5 plus 1. 3x square minus 5 into 1, 3x square minus 5. By subtracting, both are cancelled, and the remainder is 0. And the quotient term is x square plus 2x plus 1 equals to 0. And find the zeros of this quadratic equation. First x square into 1, then write x into x. X square plus x plus 1. By adding these two x plus x, we can get 2x. So we write as x plus x. By here x and here x, we can take common x plus 1. Then from this both one, x plus 1 take as common. Here x plus 1, here x plus 1, take x plus 1 as common, and this is 1, x plus 1 common, equals to 0. Then x plus 1 equals to 0. Take x plus 1 equals to 0, and x plus 1 equals to 0. Here x equals to plus 1 goes to that side and becomes minus 1. Here x plus 1 goes to that side, minus 1. These are the two roots. And 4 roots are root over 5 by 3 and minus root 5 by 3, and another root is minus 1 and minus 1 is the roots of this equation. Dividing x cube minus 3x square plus x plus 2 by a polynomial g of x, and the coefficient and remainder were x minus 2 and minus 2x plus 4. Find g of x. First given q of x equals to quotient x minus 2, r of x equals to minus 2x plus 4, and p of x is the x cube minus 3x square plus x plus 2, and then find g of x. For this, p of x divided by g of x, q of x, and the remainder is r of x. By the formula, p of x equals to g of x into q of x plus remainder r of x. Then it will goes to this side, and p of x goes to that side. Minus of g of x into q of x, r of x minus p of x. By taking minus common, g of x into q of x equals to p of x minus r of x. Then g of x equals to p of x minus r of x by q of x. Check in which case second polynomial is a factor of first polynomial. Then first take first question. This polynomial, second polynomial, is divided with t square minus 3, then the remainder will become 0. Then this t square minus 3 is the factor of second polynomial. When we divide second polynomial with first polynomial, then the remainder becomes 0. Then the t square minus 3 first polynomial is factor of second polynomial. First we can take so plus 1 x minus 2, both are cancelled, the remainder is 0. It is the g of x. This values g of x equals to P of x equals to x cube minus 3x square plus x plus 2 minus of R of x is this one minus 2x plus 4 by Q of x is x minus 2. Then x cube minus 3x square plus x plus 2 minus into minus plus 2x minus of minus 4 by x minus 2. Then x cube minus 3x square x plus x, it is 3x minus 4 plus 2 minus 2 by x minus 2. By dividing x minus 2 with x cube minus 3x square plus 3x minus 2. Here coefficient is this one, power is x cube and here is x. And then we write x square, x into x cube, x into x square, then x cube minus 2 into x square minus 2x square. By doing minus, these two are deleted, then minus 3x square minus of minus 2x square, then minus 3x square plus 2x square becomes minus x square. Then minus x square plus 3x minus 2. This one x power 1, here x square, then minus of x into x square, x into x square minus 2 into plus minus into minus plus minus 2 into x minus 2x. By doing minus, these two are cancelled. 3x minus 2x, x minus 2. In the t square minus 3 divisible 2t power 4 minus plus 3t square minus 2t square minus 90 minus 2. First divide t square with t power of this one, coefficient of this one. Then 2t power 4 by t square. 2t square. Write this one, 2t square. T square into 2t square, then 2t power 4 minus 3 into 2t square minus 6t square. In this one minus 6t square. By doing minus, this one cancel. This one as it is 3t cube. This one is minus 2t square minus of minus 6t square. Then minus 2t square plus 6t square, that is 4t square. This plus 4t square minus 90 minus 12. Then divide 3t cube by t square. 3t cube by t square. This one cancel, that is 3t. Write 3t plus 3t. T square into 3t square, 3t, that is 3t cube. Next minus 3 into 3t minus 9t minus 9t. This take minus, this one cancel, minus 90 plus of minus 90 is also cancel. 4t square minus 12. This one 4t square by t square cancel, that is 4 plus 4 t square into 4t square minus 3 into 4 minus 12. These two are cancelled and the remainder becomes 0. So t square minus 3 is the factor of 2t power 4 plus 3t cube minus 2t square minus 90 plus 12. Then take another one. This one x power 5 minus 4x cube plus x square plus 3x plus 1 divided by x square minus 3x plus 1. Some write as x power 5. This is x power 4 term is not there, so we can write plus 0 x power 4 minus 4x cube plus x square plus 3x plus 1. Second one, x square minus 3x plus 1. First divide x power 5 with x square, then it will become x cube, x square into x cube, x power 5, minus 3x into x cube, minus 3x power 4, plus 1 into x cube, plus x cube. This one cancel. 0x power 4 minus of minus 3x power 4 plus 3x power 4, 3x power 4 minus 4x cube minus of plus x cube minus 4x cube minus x cube, that will become minus 5x cube, minus 5x cube. Next as it is, this one x square plus 3x plus 1. Next write 3x square, 3x power 4 divided by x square, that will become 3x square plus 3x square. X square into 3x square, 3x power 4 minus 3x into 3x square minus 9, 3 3 are 9, x into x square, x cube plus 1 into x square, 3x square plus 3x square. This one cancel. Minus 5x cube minus of minus 9x power x cube. This one is minus 5x cube plus 9x cube. 9 minus 5, that is 4x cube. This one 4x cube. This x square minus of plus 3x square. X square minus 3x square, that is minus 2x square. Minus 2x square. Next as it is plus 3x plus 1. X 4x cube by x square, this one x square, then 4x plus 4x, x square into 4x, 4x cube minus 3x into 4x, 3 4 the 12 minus 12 x into x square, then plus 1 into 4x plus 4x. By doing subtraction, this term cancel. Minus 2x square minus of minus 12x square, that is minus 2x square plus 12x square, then 12 minus 2, 10, 10x square, 10x square, 3x minus 4x, that is minus x plus 1, then 10x square minus 2, 10x square by x square, x square cancel, then plus 10, 10x square minus 3 into 10 minus 30x plus 10. So cancel. Minus x minus of minus 30x, that is minus x plus 30x, 29x plus 1 minus 10, that is minus 9, 29x. Here remainder does not becomes 0. So x square minus 3x plus 1 is not a factor of x power 5 minus 4x cube plus x square plus 3x plus 1. Okay. We did third chapter of 10th class, that is polynomials. If you have any doubts regarding this chapter, comment it to the comment box. If you like my videos, then subscribe and like it. Thank you so much.